one of my favorite maneuvers, the hammerhead we just saw. I absolutely loved the hammerhead because it was one of the first maneuvers that I learned when I was starting to go to air shows. And it was the one I could remember because the perfect outline in the sky as he hangs upside down. His hair, you can see his hair just hanging there. Perfect, but look, this
Bill.
would be what you're judging right now is you're upside down.
Oof.
You have to make sure,
And he pulls.
Outside. Whew. That's a lot of fun.
I wish you could just appreciate, folks. I realize, you know, there's only a certain amount of private pilot holders who are watching the stream. Most of us are either a perpetual student pilot like me or just a lay person, and it's so hard to appreciate exactly how demanding that type of flying is.